Okay, I have a word problem here. A doctor's prescription calls for the creation of pills that contain 12 units of vitamin B12 and 12 units of vitamin E. A pharmacy stocks 2 powders and can be used. One contains 20% vitamin B12 and 30% vitamin E, and the other one is 40% vitamin B12 and 20% vitamin E. And I want to know how many units I should use. So I have 2 types in powder. So X is going to be the amount of powder 1, and Y is going to be the amount of powder 2. All right, so in powder 1 has 20% B12, so 20% of powder 1 for B12, and the other one has 40% of B12. And altogether, I need that to be 12 units. So the 20% of X plus the 40% of Y has to equal 12. Second one, I have vitamin E. I have 30% of the first powder and 20% of the second powder, and that also has to equal 12 units. So that's how much E. So this is vitamin B12 I'm looking for, and this is for vitamin E and how much I need of each. So now I have my system. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use elimination. So I'm going to multiply the bottom one by -2. So I have negative 0.6x minus 0.4y equals negative 24. And here I have 0.2x plus 0.4y equals 12. I took that from the first equation. I combine them. I get negative 0.4x is negative 12. I divide by negative 0.4. And that tells me that X is going to equal 30. So I need 30 units of powder 1. So let's see how much I need for powder 2. I'll just plug in. So I'll just use the first one. So 0.2 times 30 plus 0.4y has to equal 12. This is 6 plus 0.4y is 12, or 0.4y has to equal 6. Divide by 0.4, and y is going to equal 15 units. So I need 30 units of powder 1 and 15 units of powder 2.